Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Metal detecting is a thrilling hobby that has captivated the imagination of treasure hunters, history enthusiasts, and outdoor adventurers for decades. Whether you're searching for lost relics, coins, or hidden treasures buried beneath the Earth's surface, a metal detector is your key to unearthing history and excitement. However, finding the perfect metal detector that strikes a balance between affordability and performance can be a daunting task. In this guide, we'll explore the world of budget-friendly metal detectors, designed to provide you with the best value for your money without compromising on functionality. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and list them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Mindlab Equinox 600. The Mindlab Equinox 600 is a highly capable metal detector that offers exceptional value for money. It features multi-frequency technology, multi-IQ, which sets it apart from many other detectors on the market. This technology allows you to detect a wide range of treasures with precision. In this comprehensive review by Chad Eicher, you'll find detailed insights into the Equinox 600's features and benefits, making it clear why this detector stands out. The review covers essential aspects such as its multi-IQ technology, waterproof design, wireless audio capabilities, manual ground balance, DD coil options, noise cancellation, and updatable software. These features make it versatile and adaptable to various detecting scenarios. On number 2, XP-2 RC Metal Detector. The XP-2 RC Metal Detector is a highly anticipated metal detector released in 2021 by XP Metal Detectors, following the success of the original XP-DAS. It offers a range of innovative features and enhancements based on user feedback and the developer's vision. Key features of the XP-2 include fast multi-frequency technology, allowing simultaneous use of multiple frequencies for improved efficiency. 49 single frequencies that can be used individually, enabling precise and focused searches. Waterproof up to 65 feet, making it suitable for underwater metal detecting. DD coils designed for efficient performance in mineralized soils and cluttered environments. 12 search modes plus 12 user customizable modes for versatile metal detecting. On number 1, Minelab Excalibur II 1000. The Mindlab Excalibur II 1000 underwater metal detector is a top-of-the-line detector designed specifically for underwater use, offering exceptional performance and precision. It boasts a waterproof design, making it suitable for both shallow and deep-water searches, with a maximum depth range of up to 200 feet. This versatility sets it apart from detectors designed solely for land use. One standout feature is its advanced multi-frequency technology, enabling it to distinguish between different types of metal objects accurately. This enhances your ability to target specific items and filter out unwanted ones, saving time and effort during your searches. The detector is user-friendly, featuring an intuitive control panel and an adjustable shaft length for comfortable use by individuals of varying heights. In conclusion, selecting the best budget metal detector depends on your specific needs and preferences as a detectorist. Budget-friendly options can still offer impressive performance and features. Here are some key points to consider when choosing the best budget metal detector. Define your purpose. Determine your primary use for the metal detector. Are you planning to use it for coin shooting in parks, prospecting for gold, or searching for relics in historical sites? Different detectors excel in various areas, so align your choice with your goals. Consider sensitivity and depth. Look for a budget metal detector with decent sensitivity and depth capabilities. While budget models may not match the performance of high-end detectors, many offer sufficient depth to find valuable items. So guys, this was a video about the best budget metal detector. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.